My name is Matthew Douglas. I started out as a skilled laborer, and I've slowly shifted into more of a carpenter's apprentice role. The work environment at Hogan is fantastic. I'd say the focus mainly is a family-oriented focus between all of the coworkers. The majority of the employees at the company have been with the company for probably 5 or more years. Obviously, they're doing something right if everyone's sticking around for so long. The turnover is really low, everything like that. I'd say management is extremely understanding when it comes to things. They're diligent, friendly, and helpful. Same goes for people in my shoes, like myself as a laborer, Joe is a laborer, Mike is a carpenter, and our other facets of business with marketing and sales.